The U.S. economy encompasses a diverse collection of businesses. Join me as we take a look inside one American industry.
These are pneumatic trailers. They look like a tanker truck, except they haul dry bulk products like sand, coal, and limestone. While the products they ship may not be hazardous, the job is still very dangerous.
In previous years, our drivers had to climb up the back of their trailers to get on top of the trailers to open up the lids manually, but now with the new pivotal edge lids, they have automatic lids that they can access from the ground, and it saves from people falling off and fatalities and injuries.
Although falls from trailers are rare, they are often serious. The same is true for loading platforms. For the owner-operator, the fall can be career-ending. For a fleet operator, that means increased workman's comp rates, emotional stress from the accident, or even a claim of negligence.
The Pivotal Edge is a small startup owned by brothers Brad and Jay Bayer. The two have developed a manhole cover for dry bulk pneumatic trailers that allows drivers to operate it safely from the ground.
As our drivers got older and as safety became more of an issue, we just thought there was a real need in the industry for some way to keep drivers off the top of these trailers to prevent falls. That's where we came up with the idea of the Pivotal Edge cover in an effort to provide safety and more efficient loading for our drivers. Rarely do you find a product that can increase safety and efficiency all at the same time. This is what the Pivotal Edge does. It's a ground-based operating system for pneumatic trailers to open and close the cover.
Because covers follow a standard design, the Pivotal Edge cover will work on most pneumatic trailers built in the last 20 years. Installation can be performed by any truck maintenance facility.
Early on in the design of the Pivotal Edge cover, what we realized we needed right away was we needed a very robust system. The industry that we work in the dry bulk industry, is traditionally really dirty, tough market to work in, and a lot of times our drivers are working at remote locations. That being said, we knew we had to have a system that we could work on in the field that was easily repairable and with a minimum of tools, with very little training from the drivers, that they could repair these covers in the field if they had trouble. Fortunately, that hasn't been the problem. The system is very robust. We have very few problems in the field.
The Pivotal Edge covers are serviceable for 20 years or more, which is about the life expectancy of pneumatic trailers.
The basic design of the Pivotal Edge cover has never changed. It's a solid design, and we've never really had to do much to it. What we have done is over the years we've made minor changes to the operating system and some of the other components. All the components of the Pivotal Edge are interchangeable. We continue to take input from our customers and make changes as necessary.
The Pivotal Edge cover increases the efficiency of equipment. By keeping drivers off of platforms, ladders, and the tops of trucks, loading times are reduced, speeding up cycle times. On average, 10 minutes can be saved on each loading cycle. If the average driver makes 8 loads a day, that's over an hour saved, and that can be the difference between meeting and exceeding the legal amount of time allowed by the Department of Transportation. Without having to climb such heights so frequently, the cover also reduces driver fatigue, making roads safer.
Behind us here we have our Fargo terminal, which is our largest facility in the state of North Dakota. I also have a truck and trailer as part of our fleet behind us. We use automatic lids produced by Pivotal Edge on all of our trailers. The great thing about Pivotal Edge trailers is it provides an extra measure of safety for our employees, but it also enables us to increase our workforce when we're recruiting, because as everybody knows, the workforce is getting older nowadays, and we can reduce our fatigue because the drivers don't have to go up and down steps all day long. They can just open the lids automatically. They can increase the amount of loads they can haul in a day and still stay fresh at the end of the day.
In order to control costs and ensure high-quality parts, Pivotal Edge manufactures most components in-house. Remaining parts are sourced from the company's strategic partners.
Trucking has been traditionally a low-margin business. You have to weigh the economic benefit of every dollar you spend today. The Pivotal Edge cover, we believe, brings a unique blend of productivity increase and safety to your business.